In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a folder on your Android home screen. Let's jump in. First, tap and hold on any empty space on your Android home screen until a small bubble pops above all the apps. This is the Android edit mode. Now, long press and drag one app and drop it on top of another app. This will automatically create an app folder on Android. You'll see both apps are now inside the folder. You can tap open the folder and tap on Name to rename it if you want. Or you can tap on the bubble at the top of any apps you want to create folder, then tap on the folder icon that appears at the top left. To add more apps, simply drag and drop them into the same folder. You can organize as many apps as you need to keep your Android home screen organized. Once you're done, tap Done at the top right to exit edit mode. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder on your Android. Subscribe to Mini Pro Tips for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching.